I am cold because the window is open. I smile because I feel good. I smile because I feel good. I learn English while I watch videos. I learn English while I watch videos. I am hungry because I did not eat. I am hungry because I did not eat. I am tired because I worked all day. I look outside while I sit by the window. I eat lunch while I talk with friends. I like English because it is interesting. I like English because it is interesting. I stay home because it is raining. I stay home because it is raining. I learn new words while I read. I learn new words while I read. I cook dinner while I listen to music. I'm late because the bus is slow. I drink water because I am thirsty. I smile while I work. I smile while I work. I talk on the phone while I walk. I walk because the day is nice. I walk because the day is nice. I run because I am late. I run because I am late. I read a book while I drink tea. I read a book while I drink tea. I listen to music while I eat. I listen to music while I eat. I eat because I am hungry. I eat because I am hungry. I am sad because my friend is sick. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel